Hey everyone, in this video we are going to download and install the Arduino IDE on Windows PC. So for that, just go to Google and write there Arduino. Then you will get this website arduino.cc. Click on this one and here on the top in software, click on downloads. Then you will get a web page like this one. Here you will find different options to download it for Windows, Mac OS and Linux. So here click on Windows installer for Windows 7 and up, and then here click on just download. Then it will automatically start to download, and there we go. Now I have already downloaded this one so that we can save some time. Now to install this setup, just double click on this one and then you will get a pop-up for Arduino setup. Here click on I agree, then click on next and then click on install. Then it will take some time and let's just wait for that one. And there we go with the processing, and once it's done just click on close and then you will get a shortcut for Arduino IDE on your desktop, and to open it just double click on this one and the Arduino IDE will start. Here in the bottom you can see the startup processings, and there we go with the editor. So this is the editor that we are going to use in this course, and I hope you got the same results and this one is installed in your computer successfully. So thanks for watching. This is about installing the Arduino IDE and I will see you in the next video.